Bhagat Singh. When we hear this name, we get goosebumps. Our eyes are filled with pride. Our every heartbeat reminds of his patriotism. Our today is his yesterday's sacrifice. A man who did not scare for bullet. A man who did not scare for death. A man who did not scare to be prisoner. A man who became inspiration to many revolutionaries who shared common dream of making India free from British. Bhagat Singh was born on 20th September 1907 to Kishan Singh in Vidyavati in Punjab. Fighting for country is in his blood, as many of their family members were active in Indian independence movement. At 12 years, Bhagat Singh witnessed thousands of unarmed people dying in front of him at Jallianwala Bagh massacre. This incident made huge impact on him, which led to hope for British Free India. In 1920, he joined Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement. He even burned his school textbooks, which were written by British authors, as well as any items of British-made clothing that he possessed. However, when Mahatma Gandhi suspended the non-cooperation movement in the aftermath of the Chauri Chaura incident, since the movement had turned violent, Bhagat Singh lost faith in non-violence and established a revolutionary organization called Youth Society of India, which later turned to Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, which supported the use of force in ousting the British from India. In 1928, the British government set up the Simon Commission to report on the political situation in India. Many Indians were against, and there were protests across the country. When the commission visited Lahore on 30th October 1928, Lala Lajpat Rai led a march in protest against it. Lala Lajpat Rai was injured by James A. Scott, the superintendent of police, who led a baton charge against the non-violent protesters. Together with Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev Thapar and Shivaram Rajguru, Bhagat Singh planned to assassinate Scott. However, in a case of mistaken identity, John Sanders, the assistant superintendent of police, was shot. Bhagat Singh escaped from Lahore and went to Howrah to evade capture. In order to keep the momentum going, on 8th April 1929, Bhagat Singh and Badkeshwar Dutt threw smoke bombs and leaflets in the Central Legislative Assembly to protest against an unfavourable bill. They were arrested by British police, and Bhagat Singh did not resist his arrest at this point. They were sentenced to 14 years imprisonment for the assembly attack. Bhagat Singh's sentence was delayed because of the murder of Saunders. Later he was given death sentence. While in prison, Bhagat Singh went on hunger strike for 116 days to protest against the poor prison conditions. The hunger strike and trial received a lot of press coverage and was the subject of intense political debate. At 7:30 p.m. on 23rd March 1931, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Thapar and Shivaram Rajguru were executed by hanging in Lahore jail. He proceeded gallows, chanting his favorite slogan, "Down with British imperialism." A legend who just lived 23 years, 5 months, 23 days, inspired lakhs of people and lived in millions of people's heart. Even today, Bhagat Singh is celebrated in film and song as a patriotic son of India who sacrificed his life for the cause of India's freedom. Hail Bhagat Singh. Jai Hind. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.